Hey guys, how are you? Stay with me until the end of this video that I have some information for you who want to know the official site of Biotox Gold. You must be wondering if Biotox Gold really works, and yes it does. The one and only all-natural proprietary blend that targets the true cause of your belly fat. The very first 100% all-natural liquid drop weight loss supplement in the world. We've sourced all the purest, highest quality, 20 natural detoxifying nutrients and plant extracts that we've spoken about today and put the exact quantities into bottles with small and easy liquid drops you take every morning. Every bottle is manufactured here in the USA in our FDA-approved and GMP, good manufacturing practice, certified facility under the most sterile, strict, and precise standards. These liquid drops are non-GMO with absolutely no additives whatsoever, 100% all natural, tested and safe. There are no dangerous stimulants or toxins, and they are not habit-forming or tolerance-forming. Losing weight with Biotox Gold is so simple, literally, anybody could do it. Yet, it's more powerful and more effective than any diet or exercise on the planet. This formula is not only incredible for your weight, but helps support a healthy heart, brain and joints, boosts energy levels, and much more, so you'll also be improving your overall health at the same time. And the best part is, there's no need to completely change your diet, or starve yourself. Here it is, the solution you've always been searching for, ready for you to finally get the flat belly and slim body you've been dreaming of and which you deserve. Be very careful when purchasing Biotox Gold, because it is sold only on the official website, so be very careful when acquiring, make sure to get it only on the official website. Then to help you I will leave the link to the official website in the description of this video. Only on the official website you will have a guarantee of 60 days, that is you have up to 60 days to test the product, and if within this period you do not get the desired results, you will have 100% of your refund. For best results, take 10 drops of Biotox Gold, 3 times a day for optimal energy and weight loss support. Biotox Gold will work with your body to naturally adjust it back to a healthy pace, and will leave you energized, well rested, and just enjoying life again. I'm staying here, hope to have helped. Any doubt leave in the comments. Do not forget to check the official site in the description of this video.